On Service Pack 2 2025, it is possible to perform a field calibration directly in XPAD Ultimate for the Zoom 75 and 95. Before to perform a field calibration, please check in the user manual how to correctly set up the instrument for the calibration. The first step is to precisely level the instrument. And then we can click on TPS and open the robotic page. From the robotic page, we can click Tools and TPS Calibration. It is possible to perform a new calibration for the instrument or show the current calibration and generate a report. In the calibration settings, it is possible also to include in the calibration the ATR. The ATR, or aim, is the functionality that allows the instrument to precisely measure the center of the prism. When we are ready, we can click on Next. The first step requires to measure precisely around the prism positioned horizontally at a distance of 100 meters. When we are ready, we can click on Measure and measure the prism in phase 1 and phase 2. This operation has to be done 2 times. The next calibration step requires to measure a target that is above or below 30 degrees from the horizontal plane. So the target is not to be measured with the distanceometer, but we have just to aim precisely a point. Again, we have to measure precisely the position 2 times in phase 1 and phase 2. The field calibration is now complete and the software shows the previous calibration values and the new calibration values. Clicking on Report, it is possible to generate the calibration report in different formats. As we said at the beginning, it is also possible when we are connected to the instrument to show the current calibration values and again generate the calibration report.